Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ahrefs, analyze backlinks and keywords step by step clearly. Open your web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type ahrefs.com and press enter. On the top right of the Ahrefs homepage, click Login. Choose the login method that matches your account, such as email, Google, or SSO. If you use email, enter your email address and password carefully. If you use Google, click Continue with Google and select the correct Google account. If you see a two-factor authentication screen, enter the verification code from your app or email. After you log in, wait for the Ahrefs dashboard to load completely. Check the top navigation and confirm you can see tools like Site Explorer and Keywords Explorer. Click Site Explorer to analyze backlinks for a website. In the search box, type a full domain like example.com without spaces. Select the correct mode such as domain, subdomain, or exact URL based on what you want to analyze. Click the search button to start the analysis. On the overview screen, locate key metrics like domain rating, backlinks, and referring domains. Click Backlinks in the left menu to see individual links pointing to the site. Use filters like to follow, one link per domain, and language to narrow the results. Click Referring Domains to see which websites are linking and how strong they are. Open Anchors to review the most common anchor texts used in backlinks. Click Top Pages to find which pages on the site earn the most backlinks. Now go to Keywords Explorer from the top navigation bar. Type a keyword you want to research, for example best running shoes. Choose the correct search engine and location for your audience. Click Search to load keyword metrics. Review keyword difficulty, search volume, and CPC to understand competition and value. Scroll to the SERP overview to see the top ranking pages for that keyword. Click Matching Terms to discover related keyword ideas and questions. Use the Include and Exclude filters to find beginner-friendly keywords with clear intent. Save useful keywords by adding them to a list or exporting the results as a file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.